Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Audi A4 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lenses. So we're going to need two solutions in order to prep them. The first solution is our slip solution, which contains distilled water with baby shampoo. And our second solution is tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water as well. So we're going to use our slip solution and apply it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, we're going to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. Make sure to clean the surrounding area of the taillight, that way in case the tint does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And now grab your isopropyl alcohol or your tack solution and spray it onto a clean side of the microfiber towel. And what this does, it just helps remove any wax or any coating or any other hard contaminants that the taillight may have. Okay, so now that we finished prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. Grab your slip solution and apply it onto the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Now with this one, we want to make sure we align the tint right on the edge here on the taillight, right here in this section. So align it right on the edge, right here, everything's good. Secured here, and this all should be good here. Now we need to secure this section here. So grab your tack solution, spray just a little bit underneath the film, and on top grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. We need to make sure we anchor this section of the taillight first, that way it doesn't move, and then if we need to stretch the film, it doesn't shift. So it's important to secure this side first, and make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Now all we need to do is just lift the film carefully here, grab our slip solution, spray a good amount underneath the film and on the adhesive, that way we're able to stretch the film to the edge here. So place your hand here and then just do a stretch to reach it up to the curve, and then this section here up to the edge right here. Hold it in position for a couple seconds, that way the adhesive on the tint is able to start tacking down to the taillight. So hold it for a couple seconds, grab your tack solution, spray it on top, and then with your squeegee start tacking down to secure. This finger here will come back afterwards. We just need to secure this entire section here. If the film is still trying to go back to its original form, then just lift the film carefully and apply tack solution on the edges, that way it doesn't try to go back to its original form. But if it's staying how it's supposed to right here, then you should be good. Okay, and before we seal and work with anything else, just make sure to remove all the solution underneath, that way we don't leave any bubbles after the install. Okay, so to remove the finger that you may encounter on this section here, just apply tack solution, grab your heat gun or hairdryer, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire section here. Make sure you're going side to side, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. Once you apply heat, let the film cool down just a little bit, and then a method you can do is just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. Hold it in position for a couple seconds, that way the film starts tacking down to the curve. So just approach it like this at an angle, and the finger that you had here should tack down, and it shouldn't be popping out no more, and it should look flat like this. And now that we secured this finger, we're just going to grab our tack solution and we're going to spray it onto the edge right here, that way we're able to seal the edges with our heat gun. And for this part, you could just use your microfiber towel to help it tack down and seal the edges. And that's pretty much it. And now we'll move on to the piece that covers this section here. Okay, so now for the last piece, just apply slip solution on this section of the lens. and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure everything stays aligned here. So align it on the edge and everything else should fall into place, just like that. So now to secure it, you could lift it from one end, grab your tack solution and spray it underneath, and then spray it on top. Grab your squeegee, hold it in position, and just tack it down. And now to seal the edges, just apply a tack solution once more. Grab your heat gun, you could use the low setting for this part, and just apply it on the edges. Grab your microfiber towel, and just start sealing. Okay, and now once you're done with this piece, we can move on with the last piece that covers this side. Okay, so now we're moving on with the last piece for the tail light. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And same thing how we did it with this one, we just align it on the edge right here. So have it aligned, grab your tack solution and spray it underneath the film. That way the adhesive starts to activate, and spray some on top. Grab your squeegee and secure this section. Remove all the solution. And now right here, just make sure, just a light stretch until it reaches to the edge right here. Just like that, a really small one. Once you have it stretched, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee and secure it. This finger here, just lift the film and work it down. And then we could just apply heat to seal this section. Since it is a small curve here, the film will tend to lift, but that's perfectly fine because with heat you could settle the film to the curve here. So to remove this finger here, apply tack solution, grab your heat gun or hair dryer, low setting, and just apply heat where you see those fingers. That should be good. You would go ahead and just wrap your microfiber towel on your squeegee again and just tack everything down. And then hold it for a couple seconds, that way the film starts tacking down on the curve. And the same steps that you did for this piece here, you would repeat it to the other section of the tail light where you're doing the installation. And then once you're done, the last thing to do is to post heat the tint. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire tint. So you would just grab your tack solution, spray it on to the tint. Make sure you apply it on the edges where we overlap the film, and also on the side edges, and especially where the fingers were located. Grab your heat gun and apply heat. You could use the highest setting for this part, just make sure not to be too close to the tint, that way you don't accidentally burn the film. And just apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light, and as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel just to help the curves tack down. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the Audi A4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.